I am Dr. Mahima Rahman, Ayurveda and CBD expert. So today's video will be exploring about the skincare in Ayurveda for radiation-induced skin disorders. So let's understand what are the drawbacks in the side effects of radiation therapy towards the skin, and what are the Ayurvedic managements and tips for maintaining a proper skin during your radiation therapy, as well as what are the treatment possibilities for these kind of issues which happens during radiation therapy. So, as all of us are known, radiation therapy is a common treatment for cancer, and while it can be effective in targeting and killing cancer cells, it also have severe side effects on skin and the area where it is treated. So, depending upon the severity and specification of the treatment, the side effects can vary, and commonly seen side effects of radiation on the skin is the first and the main is the radiation dermatitis, which we call. It is nothing but the inflammation of the skin in the treated area. Symptoms like redness of the skin, itching, and sometimes blisters can also be observed. So this severity can range from the mild redness to severe blisters or intense reactions. Next is drying and peeling of skin. Dryness is inevitable during radiation therapy, and it will also further dryness can lead to peeling of the skin in the treated area. The skin may become more sensitive and prone to infection and bruising. Next is erythema, which is redness. Redness of the skin is commonly noted during the side effect of radiation, and that can be immediately noted post the radiation therapy. Intensity of redness varies, and it may resemble something like a sunburn as well. Next is hyperpigmentation or hypopigmentation, that is changes in the skin pigmentation may occur leading to darkening of the skin or lightening of the skin on the treatment provided. And yes, hair loss, as all of us are known, the common side effect in the area where radiation is administered is the hair loss, not only in the scalp, face, and other parts of the body, depending on the treatment where it has been given. Pruritus is also a common symptom. Pruritus is a medical terminology for itching. Itching is very common side effect and may be associated with dryness of the skin as well as change in the skin texture. Edema is nothing but the swelling in the skin irritation. As I told, the redness, swelling is also something very commonly immediately noted post the radiation therapy. And ulceration, in severe cases ulceration can also be noted because severe dryness can create to severe itching can relate to ulcerations or wounds. And fibrosis, which is a long-term effect, includes development of fibrosis, which means the scar kind of tissues will be forming in the skin. And moist desquamation, which we say, in some cases skin may progress to more severe stage called moist desquamation, where the skin becomes moist and ulceration may occur frequently. So these are the common side effects which people observe during radiation therapy, but nevertheless, to be scared of these side effects, we do have good solutions in Ayurveda for these skincare managements during these kind of side effects which happens during the radiation therapy. So Ayurveda views these kind of issues in a holistic approach, and there are a number of natural remedies and practices to help manage and elevate radiation induced skin irritations. I will be explaining few skincare tips for individuals undergoing radiation therapy so that you can minimize these kind of side effects. The above explained side effects will be requiring medical attention. So these, rather than going to the severe side effects, preventing is always better. So let's explore the skincare tips. First is using of oils. Most of my patients says while doing radiation therapy, doctors is advising them not to use any kind of oils and things. But what I would recommend is that you can use oils which are more soothing and calming in nature. So applying cooling and soothing oils like Bala Chandanadi Tailam, which has chandana in it, and Bala, Ashwagandha, those kind of herbs. in a base of coconut oil, which helps in reducing the inflammation, dryness in the skin, and reduces the itching, as well as helps in soothing the affected area. So that can be used. You can use neem oil, because neem is considered to be antimicrobial as well as anti-inflammatory properties present. Hence it helps in soothing the irritated skin and prevents further infection or ulcerations of the skin. Sandalwood, as everybody knows, chandana, as I told, it is really good. It's a good cooling agent for the skin. Applying a fresh chandana paste over the affected area can reduce the redness, can reduce the inflammation, which creates heatness in the body, or we feel like burned. Those can be reduced, and skin repair can also be done. If you don't want to use chandana, if you have good source of chandan powder, you can mix it with plain water, or for better efficacy you can use it with rose water and apply it on the affected area. Leave it for 30 minutes and then you can rinse it with cool water. That helps in reducing thing. If you are not comfortable or you don't have the source of proper chandana, you can always use pala chandanadi tailam or chandanadi tailam, which helps in reducing the irritation, which has chandana as the main ingredient in it. Next, as all of us are aware, our miracle drug, aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is not only good for your hair but is also very soothing and healing property for the skin. Fresh aloe vera gel is recommended. You can cut out a leaf, take the pulp, apply it towards the affected area. Wait for some time and rinse it with cool water. Immediately it helps in soothing the skin, repairs the skin, reduces the dryness. So these kind of things can be noted with aloe vera gel. Turmeric, our ancient wisdom, our old age wisdom of turmeric goes beyond everything. It's a very potent anti-inflammatory drug, antioxidant drug. So you can mix good turmeric powder with a small amount of water or milk, make a proper paste and apply to the affected area for relief. It will help in reducing the pain, it helps the reducing the inflammation, and they are antimicrobial and antibacterial, which will further help to reduce the infection as well. Ghee, as I said, clarified butter. Ghee is considered to be very good and soothing, and it's like a good skin tonic. Application of good ghee plus honey can be applied over the burnt area, which helps in reducing the inflammation, helps in immediate repair of the skin, and reduces the scarring and even moistures the skin. And if these kind of these are herbal remedies, single herbal remedies, home remedies, which you can incorporate. Other than that, we have ayurvedic herbal oils such as triphala thailam is there, which is really considered to be really good, because triphala is having property like anti-inflammatory, and it has detoxifying property also, which clarifies and helps in improving the complexion. If you have hyperpigmentation side effects, this is a great choice. You can use manjishtari thailam, which is again a blood purifier. It helps in improving the circulation, which will heal the skin, gives enough nutrition to skin much faster compared to other sources. So manjishtari thailam can be used, you can be applied. And then there is jatyadi kritam as well as jatyadi thailam, which both are considered to be useful in wound healing management in Ayurveda. They have jasmine flower as the ingredient, jasmine leaf as the ingredient, which has more of healing property, which can be used for radiation dermatitis or radiation induced severe burns or blisters. That can be used, jatyadi kritam or jatyadi thailam, both in oil form as well as the ghee form. It is available. And if the pruritus is involved, you can always go for eladi thailam, which is considered to be good for pruritus. It has cardamom as the main ingredient in it. And with the panchavalkala, which we say panchavalkala is nothing but more of antibacterial. It has banyan tree extract, those kind of plant extracts, which helps in clarifying the skin and more considering skin towards a soothing side. And then you have madhyashthyadi thailam or yashthyadi thailam, which helps in reducing the inflammation, improving the elasticity of the skin. And if you wanted to look into more deeper level to detox your skin, you have other herbal pastes which are recommended in Ayurveda, which can be considered very useful in conditions. So any particular conditions, dietary involvement is also really important. You should take diet support, follow a balanced diet with emphasizing on cooling and nourishing food, including like leafy vegetables, cucumbers, coconut water. These things in diet can really reflect on your skin health. And hydration is really important post radiation, as radiation can also impact a lot of fluid loss. So maintain a proper hydration, use fluids like coconut water, juices, and even normal water to be considered for maintaining proper hydration. Avoid any kind of harsh chemicals in the skin, such as soaps or shampoos or cosmetic products. Rather use organic natural things to support your skin's health and allow it to repair. And yes, the beauty lies within inside, what we believe. You have to indulge in more of yoga and meditation, which can reduce stress, which has a positive impact not only towards your entire health but also towards your healing process for your skin, and maintains good skin health as well. So always individual symptoms vary, whichever I explained. So Ayurvedic practitioners can provide you personalized recommendation based on your unique and needs and considerations. So always consult with your healthcare team if you are suffering with severe issues. Thank you for watching the video. We at ZenOnco are always there with your cancer journey. Any cancer related query, you can always get in touch with our cancer coach in the below given number. Thank you.